Welcome to Medical Duber. Today's my video physics note for BSc Nursing's GNM, NM or NEETs exams. First questions: graphite is a conductor of electricity because option number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this question's correct answer number 4. Both A and B, example 1 or 4. It is not metal from of carbon, and B, it has valence electrons, and correct answer A and B. Next question number second, the formula of nitric acid is option number first HNO2, H bracket on, NO3 bracket off 2, H2NO4, and option number 4 is correct, HNO3 is correct. This is formula of nitric acids. And our next questions number third, metals are solid except this option number 4, selenium, helium, potassium and mercury. This is all solids except the correct answer is mercury. Mercury is not solids because this is liquid forms. So mercury is not solids, and selenium, helium, potassium are solids form. Next, our questions number 4. At 100 centigrade, the speed of reaction becomes option number A 64 times faster, B 16 times faster, C or third 140 times faster, and fourth 128 times faster. This is correct answer. Answer is the other colors, and correct answer is metallic bonds. Next questions, elements in a group 5 likely to form option number A covalent bonds, ionic bonds, diatic bonds and metallic bonds, and correct answer equivalent bonds. Next questions, while iodide ion oxidize to iodine is changed in color from colorless to option number A pink occurs, brown occurs, violet occurs and blue occurs, and our correct answer number second, brown occurs. Next questions, toothpaste has an average pH of, what is pH of toothpaste? The correct answer is the fourth answer is the 8 pH of toothpaste average pH levels. And next questions, the crystallization of microchips does not involves option number A crystal, B solute, C a soluble and D a solvent. And our correct answer number 4 are solvents. This microchips is involved not a solvents. K2O plus H2O, this formula KO2O plus H2O make option number A KOH, B KOH3, KH2O2, KOH dot K2 H2O, and correct answer is the first KOH is correct answer. Sulfuric acid is an example of non-electrolytes, strong electrolytes, and natural acid and weak electrolytes. And our correct answer is number second and color number 2, strong electrolytes. Next questions, fuel like petrols and natural gas are example of. These elements is example of option number A covalent bonds, ionic compounds, diatic bonds and fourth metallic bonds. Example of bonds, option number A covalent bonds. Next questions, iodine salt mixtures can be separated through option number A simple filtration, B simple distillation, and third fraction distillation, and fourth sublimation. and correct answer is the fourth, sublimation is the correct answer. Next questions, in Na2CO3 10H2O, the relative formula mass of option number A 186, 154, 158, 288, 286, and this correct answer is the fourth, 286. Chemical substance speeding up the rate of chemical reaction is called option number A concentration, pressure, inhibitors, and fourth है catalysts, and correct answer catalytes. In the electrolysis of brine, ions moving to the anode include option number first hydroxides, chloride ions, option number second sodium hydrogen ions, option number third none of the above, and option number fourth both A and B, and correct answer is the A hydroxides and chloride ions. Example of refractory materials include this option number A LiCl, MgO, Cal2, and Kf. This is correct answer number second, and green color, this correct answer is green color. And next, in periodic tables non-metals are found in the sides, left hand sides, right hand sides, bottom of the periodic table, and extremely right hand sides. The correct answer right hand side, non-metals. Next questions, the ion remaining unchanged in both reactants and products are called option number A sublimates, B residual ions, C radical ions, and D है spectri ion. Next questions, apparatus used for very accurate measurement include option number A burette, B pipette, C both A and B, and D none of the above. Correct answer A and B. Next questions, other than oxygen and calcium, 92% of the earth's crust is made of option number A iron, B silicon, C all of this, and D aluminum, and correct answer all of this. The first elements in the periodic table to have 8 valence electron in the option number A chlorine, B silicon, C potassium, and D argon. Correct answer is argon. The chemical formula of copper oxides, option number A CuO3, option number 2 COO, Cu2O, none of this, and CuOH2. Correct answer Cu2O, अर्थात copper oxides. Next, the chemical formula of caustic soda is KOH, NaOH, CaOH2, and MgO. Elements and their isotopes have option number A same number of electrons, B same number of protons, C all of this, and D a different number of neutrons. Correct answer all of this. The chemical formula of butane is option number A C2H4, CH4, C4H10, and C3H8. Correct answer C4H10 is formula of butane. The valency of sulfide is N plus 2, N plus 1, minus 2, minus 1. Correct answer minus 2 is the valency of sulfide is. Consider a graph of decrease in mass against time. Fastest reaction shows less slip, steepest curve, A plateau and flat curve. Answer number. Next questions, what of crystallization in found in option number A zinc sulfide, potassium chloride, sodium chloride, copper sulfide. Correct answer number 4. The valency of hydroxides and OH is option number 1 -2 -1 -4 and -3. Correct answer is the second -1. And last questions friends, our displacement reaction occurs when option number 1, 2 and 3, 4. And this is correct answer is the both A and B. Thank you for watching.